Alright, so as you can see, today we're going to be doing a taste test and comparison of all these Magnolia ice creams. These were purchased at a Walmart. Alright, the green tea boba one, so this one was $6.68. Alright, and this is a, what is that? Does it say on here? I'm assuming it's a pint. I'll go over the sizes afterwards, but I think it's a pint. Then we have this Wintermelon Boba, $6.68. Then we have this brown sugar boba, that was $6.25. We have a mango boba, $6.68. And then we have a coffee boba, which is $6.64. Then we have these larger ube and mango ones, $10.48 a piece. All right. So, anyways, I'm gonna first try the two mango ones because hopefully they are. I mean, I'm assuming they're gonna be about the same, except there's boba or something in it. But we'll find out. All right. So let's kind of move these out of the way a little bit, and let's go ahead and open this up. So this one, oh, actually, sorry, I need to actually show the ingredients and all that. Premium tropical ice cream. Hopefully these aren't going to melt because it's going to take a while to go over all of this. But here you go, 1.5 quarts or 1.42 liters. I purchased this on February 20th, 2023. So in case you need to know, this is, I guess, manufactured November 28th, 2022, and it's best by November 28th, 2023. Okay, here you can see the nutrition facts and calories. There's going to be a lot of stuff. 9 servings per container, 2/3 cup serving, 150 calories, 10 grams of fat, 13%, saturated fat, 2 grams, 10%. No trans fat, cholesterol 35 milligrams, 45 milligrams of sodium, 2%, carbs 28 grams, 10%, sugar 16 grams, includes 11 grams of added sugar, 22%, 2 grams of protein, no vitamin D, 78 milligrams of calcium, 6%, no iron, and 188 milligrams of potassium, all right, 4%. I mean, you can just fast forward over this because I know a lot of people don't really care about all this extra information, but I put it in here just in case some people need it or want to see it without going to a store to see it. So I'm going to kind of talk about all of this stuff. Packed with so much mango, a silky goodness, you'll start to question with each spoonful if you're actually eating a real mango. Magnolia Premium mango ice cream is only made with real Manila mangoes and real cream. The only flavor you'll get is Ultimate Mango Madness, all right? Magnolia ice cream. Magnolia has been made with loving care by Ramar Foods. I mean, you can probably read that. Actually, it's really hard to read that. And yeah, they use pure, wholesome ingredients, including real milk, real fruit. You'll never find trans fats or fake flavoring here. Only real ice cream made with the highest quality ingredients, okay? And here you can see where it's manufactured in California. Ingredients are cream, mango puree, mango, citric acid, sugar, whey powder, non-fat, milk powder, locust, bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, annatto beet juice, and turmeric for color. Alright, this contains milk, so if you have a problem with that, keep that in mind. Manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts, so if you're extremely allergic, then be careful with that. Okay, let's go ahead and open this guy up. You can see, actually, they don't put any protective plastic or anything. So make sure that somebody didn't open up your container and start eating it out at a Walmart, right? All right, I'm going to eat this top layer first. Okay, let's go ahead and scoop this. All right, so I'm just going to eat like 1 scoop of each. Yeah! Almost dropped it on the ground. Okay. Pretty good. Okay. We're going to set this aside with this spoon. But I like it. Really good. Okay. We're going to open up the mango boba one now. Actually, sorry. We're going to look at all of this stuff. Expiration date. You can see this one was made in January 18, 2023, and it's best by July 18th, 2024. So this one will last a bit longer. 16 fluid ounces, 473 milliliters. All right, best of both treats. Okay, and this stuff is really small and hard to read, but there you go. Cream, mango puree, mango citric acid, sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup, mochi, maltose, water, hydroxyl propyl distarch phosphate, E1442 thickener, sugar, trehalose, brown sugar flavor, palm oil, salt, caramelized sugar, syrup, mono and diglycerides, potato starch, non-fat milk powder, egg yolks and sugar, locust bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, annatto beet juice, and turmeric for color. Tapioca starch contains milk and eggs manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts. Okay, so if you have those allergies, again, if you're deathly allergic, be careful. You can see there's much more calories in this, 270 calories. What was the other one? 270 calories for a 2/3 cup, and this one is 150 calories for a 2/3 cup. So, all right. Fat 15 grams, 19%. Trans fat 0.5 grams, 45%. Wait, oops, I'm reading that wrong. Total fat 15 grams, 19%. Saturated fat 9 grams, 45%. Trans fat 0.5 grams. There's no percentage. Cholesterol 45 milligrams, 15%. Sodium 55 milligrams, 2%. Carbs 30 grams, 11%. Sugars 24 grams, 7%. Sugars 24 grams with 13 grams of added sugars, 26%. 4 grams of protein, 1 microgram of vitamin D, 6%. Calcium 126 milligrams, 10%. Iron 0. Potassium 204 milligrams, 4%. Okay, and there we go. So as you can see, they changed the packaging on these small ones. They don't say the thing about how they only use real whatever ingredients and stuff, so it's probably going to taste very different. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open and we'll see. All right, this one you can see it has the plastic seal on it, so it's more difficult for someone to just take it and eat while they're at the store. Okay, we're gonna get a new spoon. You can see there's like a boba thing there. Let's scoop this. The color of it, you can already see, is different. Let's see if we can show you this. See that? It's much darker orange. Okay, so let's go ahead and try. They do use like that carrageenan and annatto and whatever to make the color, so that's why it's so dark. I'm going to try and avoid getting the spoon in my mouth so that I can kind of scoop it again. You can see the bobas there. They're surprisingly pretty chewy. If you've had the boba ice cream bars, like from Costco and stuff, very much like that. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, the bobas overpower the mango. When I eat it with a boba pearl in it, pretty much all I taste is the boba pearls. I don't know. Maybe it's because I just ate the plain mango one already. But when I eat this, I'm just tasting boba pearls. That's not really a bad thing. It just depends on your preference. Okay. So yeah, I mainly taste the boba pearls in that. I don't really taste the mango ice cream too much. So if you're going for a lot of mango flavor, go for the plain mango. Don't add the bobas in there. All right, we're gonna try the ube now. Ube sweet purple yam premium tropical ice cream. Okay, here you can see. I guess it was manufactured December 15, 2022. Best Buy, December 15, 2023. So this one lasts like a year. This one lasts 7, 8 months, something like that. Wait, January 2023? Oh, this lasts more than a year then. This lasts a year and 7 months or 6. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't slept much. Okay, anyways, this one, November 26, 2022. So this one lasts about a year. That's the mango one, if that matters to you. Not like you're going to get it right when it was manufactured, so you want to check when it's actually going to expire. Here you can see nutrition facts. This one has more calories than the plain mango, but less calories than the boba one. 9 servings per container. 200 calories for a 2/3 cup serving. 11 grams of fat, 14% saturated fat, 6 grams, 30%. Cholesterol, 40 milligrams, 13%. Sodium, 50 milligrams, 2%. Carbs, 26 grams, 9%. Dietary fiber, 1 gram, 4%. Sugars, 18 grams, which is 12 grams added sugar, 24%. 3 grams of protein. No vitamin D, 78 milligrams of calcium, 6%. No iron. Potassium, 188 milligrams, 4%. All right. When you taste this creamy purple treat, you will instantly recognize what Filipinos have known. Ube, aka purple yam, is an amazing, colorful dessert that kids will love. One search on social media will show how its fame is on the rise, trending since 1972. Magnolia ice cream. Magnolia has been made with love and care by Ramar Foods since 1972. We pride ourselves on using pure, wholesome ingredients, including real milk, and real fruit. You'll never find trans fats or fake flavoring here. Only real ice cream made with the highest quality ingredients. And that's only for these. Again, these, I think, they don't care about all that stuff. Like, there's 0.5 grams of trans fat in this one. But anyways, ingredients. Cream, sugar, ube puree, which is purple yam, sugar, water, glucose, and lactic acid. Then there's whey powder, non-fat milk powder, locust bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, FDNC red number 3, and FDNC blue number 1, and then natural flavors. That's how they make it so purple. All right, contains milk, manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts. So if you're deathly allergic, be careful with that again. All right, so that's it. Let's open this one up and give it a try. Okay, here you can see how they have it. I guess let me scrape this off and then scoop at the same time so I don't have to like contaminate this. Alright, there we go. And then we'll take a scoop of the ice cream. It's already melting from the ones on the lid. Okay, there we go. So good. I really like that. If you like the flavor of ube, purple yam, you're going to love this one. Okay, go with that. I think I probably like this better than the mango one, actually. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. Let's go ahead now and we'll try... Let's try it in order of like what's less sweet, probably. We'll go with Wintermelon, green tea, maybe coffee there. Probably green tea might be less sweet, and brown sugar. So we'll try the green tea one first. Okay, same thing, green tea, premium ice cream. You got the nutrition facts here. 2/3 cup, 300 wow, that's a lot of calories in that one. Is that the highest? No, 300, 300, and 300. Interesting. So the mango one has 270 is less. All of these have 300 calories per serving. 17 grams fat, 22%. Saturated fat, 11 grams, 55%. Trans fat, 0.5 grams. Cholesterol, 60 milligrams. Sodium, 65 milligrams, 20%. Cholesterol, 60 milligrams, 20%. Sodium, 65 milligrams, 3%. Carbs, 31 grams, 11%. Fiber, 1 gram, 4%. 25 grams of sugar, which includes 16 grams of added sugars, 32%. 5 grams of proteins. Vitamin D, 1 microgram, 6%. Calcium, 155 milligrams, 10%. No iron. Potassium, 210 milligrams, 4%. And the best of both treats. You got the same information as the other ones. All right. And let's go with the ingredients. Again, there's a lot of ingredients on these tiny ones. Cream, sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup, mochi, maltose, water, hydroxypropyl, distarch phosphate, E1442, thickener, sugar, trehalose, brown sugar flavor, palm oil, salt, caramelized sugar, syrup, mono and diglycerides, potato starch, non-fat milk powder, egg yolks, which is egg yolks and sugar. I don't know why they make egg yolks with sugar, but okay. Green tea flavor, locust bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, tapioca starch, contains milk and eggs, manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts. Again, if you're deathly allergic, be careful. Okay, and if I didn't already show the date, June 23rd, 2022 till December 23rd, 2023. So a year and a half or so. All right, let's open this up. Hopefully none of these were pre-opened. That would suck. All right, we're gonna open this plastic thing. Oh no, it's paper actually, and it tore itself, so I gotta be careful peeling that up. All right, I'm gonna eat this. Okay, so far these are all like light flavor. All right, as you can see, there are no visible boba on first glance, so let's go ahead and scoop in here and see what we got. Okay. Okay, I do see a boba popping through, and you can see some bobas in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try. Again, the boba, the flavor is so strong. The green tea has a tough time coming through. I guess if you eat it like on a cone and you're just licking it, not like scooping it out and biting the whole ice cream like I do, then you would actually taste the ice cream more. It does have a light green tea flavor, but it's not very strong. I do taste it. Again, the boba like overtakes the whole flavor. Maybe you'll have different taste senses and you might taste it better than me, but that's my experience right now. All right, Wintermelon, same exact stuff, premium tropical ice cream. Best of both treats, same information. Okay, Best Buy, okay, from April 18th, 2022 until October 18th, 2023. So, again, more than a year. I guess a year and a half or so. Okay, nutrition facts, 3 servings per container, 2/3 cups again, 300 calories, 17 grams of fat, 22%, saturated fat, 11 grams, 55%, trans fat, 0.5 grams, cholesterol, 60 milligrams, 20%, sodium, 65 milligrams, 3%, carbs, 31 grams, 11%, fiber, 1 gram, 4%, sugars, 55 grams, which includes 16 grams of added sugar, 32%, protein, 5 grams, vitamin D, 1 microgram, 6%, calcium, 155 milligrams, 10%, no iron, potassium, 210 milligrams, 4%. And then you got the ingredients here. Cream, sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup, mochi, maltose, water, hydroxypropyl distarch phosphate, E1442, thickener, sugar, trehalose, brown sugar flavor, palm oil, salt, caramelized sugar syrup, mono and diglycerides, potato starch. All right, that's what they use to make the boba pearls. So those have all the same thing in each one of these. Anyways, where did I just stop here? Oh my goodness. Okay, non-fat milk powder, egg yolks, which is egg yolks and sugar again. Wintermelon syrup, fructose sugar, water, brown sugar, wintermelon flavor, caramel, vanilla powder, potassium sorbate, acesulfame, potassium ethyl maltol, FD&C yellow, number 61. What else? Wintermelon flavor, glycerin, ethyl alcohol, natural flavors, then locust bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, tapioca starch, contains milk and eggs, manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts. I don't know if I'm losing my mind. I probably read the nutrition facts already, but if I didn't, I'll give you a close-up and you can pause and read it again yourself, just in case. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. All right, this feels like it's melting already, so uh-oh. It's getting smushy. Rah, rah. Why does it have a weird texture? Okay, we'll see if I scoop it if it's gonna have that same gritty texture. Let's scoop the ice cream off the top here. Maybe get a little off the melted sides. You can see the bobas in there. They're not any on the top. And let's give it a taste. Again, this time I'm gonna just taste the ice cream separate, hopefully. Why is it so gritty? Like, that's so weird. It's like there's a bunch of like sugar crystals in it. I don't know if it's got some freezer burn or something, but again, bobas take a huge flavor. Let me clean off this spoon because I'm gonna get another scoop real quick. I'm gonna use some water. Clean this real quick here. Okay, because I want to try this one again real quick. It's very gritty. I mean, the flavor's kind of nice. I mean, it is nice, not kind of nice. It is nice. But it's weird how gritty it is. It's like, I don't know. All right, let's try it again. I don't know if it's maybe this one set out weird or something, or I don't know. I wouldn't think of Wintermelon to be gritty like this. Interesting. I like the flavor. This one, the flavor is much, I mean, the boba's still really strong, but you taste this a bit more. But I don't know, the flavor is kind of like it tastes like something I've tried before. I don't know. I would say it's like crumbled up donut glaze. To me, that's what it's like. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the coffee one. Magnolia Boba Coffee, Premium Tropical Ice Cream. Same stuff like before. Best of both treats. Okay, nutrition facts. Here you go. Same thing, 300 calories, 2/3 cup, 17 grams fat, 22%, saturated fat, 11 grams, 55%, trans fat, 0.5 grams, cholesterol, 60 milligrams, 20%, sodium, 65 milligrams, 3%, carbs, 31 grams, 11%, fiber, 1 gram, 4%, sugars, 25 grams, includes 16 grams added sugar, 32%, protein, 5 grams, vitamin D, 1 microgram, 6%, calcium, 155 milligrams, 10%, no iron, potassium, 210 milligrams, 4%. The Best Buy, August 5th, 2022 until February 5th, 2024. So this one lasts until next year, 2024. Jeez. So this one I get actually a whole year from when I bought it. All right, and the ingredients: cream, sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup. Mochi, which is the bobas, is made from maltose water, hydroxypropyl distarch phosphate E1442 for thickener, sugar, trehalose, brown sugar flavor, palm oil, salt, caramelized sugar syrup, mono and diglycerides, potato starch, non-fat milk powder, egg yolks, which is egg yolks with sugar, natural coffee extract, locust bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, tapioca starch, and contains milk and eggs, manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts. Excuse me. All right. If you're wondering where the ingredients stops for the boba, it stops at the diglycerides and potato starch, it seems. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this one up. I have some Starbucks coffee ice cream that I just ate yesterday, so I guess I'll be comparing it to that a little bit. Licking off the ice cream, I definitely taste the coffee. Okay, let's see about the pearls though. You can see there's one pearl just faintly in there, and as I lift it out, you can see it's kind of more visible, and you can see a whole bunch down there now. All right, definitely taste the coffee ice cream. Pretty good. Not as intense as the Starbucks coffee ice cream. Coffee flavor does stand out a bit stronger against the tapioca pearls. Very good. If you like coffee ice cream, you'll probably like that a lot, especially if you also like boba. All right, brown sugar. This is more of like a traditional boba, I guess, flavor. All right, September 27th, 2022 until March 27th, 2024. All right, I get over a year with this one. Calories, here you can see, same thing, 300 calories for a 2/3 cup serving, 17 grams, total fat, 22%, saturated fat, 10 grams, 50%, trans fat, 0.5 grams. These sound very familiar numbers. Cholesterol, 55 milligrams, 18%, sodium, 55 milligrams, 2%, carbs, 33 grams, 12%, fibers, 1 gram, 4%, sugar, 26 grams, with 18 grams of added sugar. So this has more added sugars. I think the others were 16. This is 36%. Protein, 4 grams. Vitamin D, 1 microgram, 6%. Calcium, 130 milligrams, 10%. No iron. Potassium, 200 milligrams, 6%. Ingredients are same. The first ingredients are all the same: cream, sugar, sucrose, and corn syrup. Mochi is maltose, water, hydroxypropyl distarch phosphate, E1442, thickener, sugar, trehalose, brown sugar flavor, palm oil, salt, caramelized sugar syrup, mono and diglycerides, and potato starch for the tapioca pearls. All right, then there's non-fat milk powder, sugar cane, molasses, egg yolks, which is egg yolks and sugar again, brown sugar, invert sugar, which is invert sugar, syrup, glycerin, and natural flavors. Then there's locust bean gum, guar gum, carrageenan, dextrose, tapioca starch, and it contains milk and eggs, obviously, manufactured in a facility that also processes wheat, soy, peanuts, and tree nuts. Again, if you're deathly allergic, be careful. And I think I read the ingredients or nutrition facts already, so let's open this last one, give it a taste, and see what we think. Taste is very subjective, so I can't really say which one is better than the other, but so far the ube one, I think I like them. Oh, shoot. I think we're in trouble here. This is like liquid. Oh man, what is going on? Oh my god. Okay. It's not what I was thinking. I was thinking it was gonna taste like a bubble milk tea, but I don't know. This flavor is like strong. Okay, what is this melted mess? Oh my gosh. All right, let's try this. I don't know. I don't know here. I need a piece deeper down without all this melted goop. I guess that's not going to happen. It just flows in. All right. That one I didn't touch my mouth to the spoon, so let's try this again. I'm going to have to eat it off back here. Okay. I'd say the sweetness on this one is too intense. If you have a super sweet tooth, probably like that one. I don't know what the flavor of the brown sugar. I was expecting it to be closer to like drinking a regular brown sugar boba milk tea, but I don't know. It's pretty intense. I don't know why it's so liquidy too. Maybe it's like the brown sugar was like slightly burned or something. I don't know. Toasted, I mean. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. I'd eat the whole thing, but not one. If I were to pick from all these flavors, I'd pick again. Let me see here. So I think that was the cheapest one. That was $6.25. And then what was this? Oh, the coffee one also. The coffee one was actually was also was 4 cents cheaper for some reason. Okay, so if I rate these flavor, this is interesting. It's like crumbled up donut donut glaze. All right. It's hard to say because I'm not going back and forth between all the flavors. But I'm definitely going to say the ube is probably at the top, if not very close to it. I'll definitely go with the mango next. In terms of these boba ones, again, the boba flavor does take like a huge role in it. It's like very overpowering. Except maybe this one, for some reason, that flavor is so strong, whatever that liquidy melted stuff is. And maybe this actually, these two are a little bit more on the not so strong side, but it could have been because I just ate like those. I would say if I were going with my favorite flavor to least favorite flavor, but it really depends because I'm not a crazy fan of coffee, but actually coffee ice cream for me is pretty good. Texture on this is kind of weird. It might make it not in the top for me. Flavor wise, I'll say it's pretty good. But I would probably go mango, coffee, wintermelon. Green tea is kind of like not very strong, and then I'll go with the brown sugar one. But these are all like very close, and this one is like kind of weird. But yeah, everybody has different tastes. You might like this one the best, so don't take my word for it. Go and give them a try. Let us know what you think. If you think the brown sugar one is the best, or if you also agree that it's kind of weird and it's the worst, let us know. That's pretty much it. Sorry this video was so long. It's so many ice creams I was reviewing. That's probably why this one was so liquidy and melty. But as a comparison, look, this is still frozen. Right? Coffee one. Look, still frozen. So I don't know what's going on with this, with all that liquid on top. See, still frozen. Still frozen. What is this liquid melted gloop? Right? This one, still frozen. And the last one, still frozen but melting a bit. Alright, anyways, that's it. That's my review and my whatever taste test. Hopefully you guys enjoy these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.